name is Isis Mangum Ward. I work for Continental Carbon in Houston, Texas. Our organization has about 150 plus users, and we use it for our compliance with ISO, our EPA, our OSHA documentation. And we also do it for a lot of internal documentation for our own audit use. Person that's out on the line, let's say they're in shipping or they're working in the lab, and they don't quite know how to do the process that they've been given, the task they've been given to do. So they could go online to Qualtrax, and immediately a document pulls up, and it gives them a step-by-step as to what documents they need to attach to it, what they need to do, gives them line by line, and where to reference back to other documents if it requires some kind of EPA document or a OSHA document. Whatever it is, it can go back and forth without having to go searching for the answer to someone who may not be there. It's there, and it's up to date and current. It's one of those things where usually when you're doing preparation for audits, you are pulling at your hair. You're trying to lay your hands on every document. It used to be you had to go through all these notebooks, produce all these big files full of information to lay out on the table, and you definitely were gonna miss something. With Qualtrax, you have those documents there. You have the people that have been editing it, saying it's okay, adding in the documentation behind it, putting all the stops to make sure that it's there, it's up to date and edited where it's supposed to be. So now, when it comes audit time, I'm just thinking, oh, piece of cake. We just got to check our dates, make sure that this document and that document, and it lays it out for us pretty easy now, and I'm really liking where we're going. It makes it less tension. We're more productive, and we find that the whole team is not dreading the audit, because there would be days that I ain't coming to work, there's an audit today. I ain't, no. Because of how we've got our Qualtrax audit information in there now, it passed with flying colors. In fact, all they wanted to do was ask them to do a few more things to add, make it better, just pump it up. But flying colors, passing. I'm going, yes.